Ever wondered who really built the moon? No, it's not a typo. Some people believe the moon isn't a natural object at all. It's an artificial creation. Sounds crazy, right? But stay with me because this theory might just make you rethink everything you know about our closest neighbor in the sky. Let's face it, we've all heard the basic explanations about the moon. It's just a rock that's been hanging around Earth for billions of years. But here's the thing. Have you ever wondered why the moon is so perfect? Its height, its position, its effects on Earth all seem too perfect. Some scientists and conspiracy theorists believe that the moon might not even be natural. What if it was built by an advanced civilization, either from Earth or somewhere out there in the universe? Doesn't that sound like a plot twist from a sci-fi movie? It's easy to brush this off as nonsense. But what if it's worth investigating? The idea that the moon was designed or even put into orbit is a theory that's been gaining attention, and it challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. Here's where it gets wild. The theory, called the artificial moon hypothesis, argues that the moon is too symmetrical and too perfectly positioned to be a random rock in space. First off, think about this. The moon is the exact size it needs to be to perfectly cover the sun during a total solar eclipse. Coincidence? The odds of that happening naturally are insanely low. And let's talk about the moon's weight. It's just the right mass to affect the tides, stabilize Earth's rotation, and help regulate our planet's climate. The more you dig, the more it seems like this moon was designed to do all of this. If you're a skeptic, it might sound far-fetched, but there are real scientists who are genuinely puzzled by the moon's mysterious properties. One of the most mind-blowing facts that supporters of the artificial moon theory point to is the ringing moon incident. During the Apollo missions, when astronauts dropped seismometers on the moon's surface, they reported that it rang like a bell after being struck. A natural rock body shouldn't behave that way. This could imply that there's something inside the moon, or at least beneath its surface, that we don't understand. So what can we take away from this? If the moon is artificial, what could that mean? Well, first off, we might need to rethink our entire history as a species. It's possible that an ancient, highly advanced civilization built the moon and placed it in orbit around Earth for a purpose we might not fully understand yet. Some theorists believe it was built to help support life on Earth, serving as a stabilizer for our planet's ecosystems and weather systems. If you're into practical solutions, here's how we can dive deeper into this mystery. Start by looking at the evidence. Check out the lunar anomalies, like its size, density, and the strange way it affects Earth's rotation. Talk to astronomers, physicists, and people who are open to unconventional ideas. Ask them about the moon's perfectly balanced relationship with Earth and what that might tell us about its origins. Another approach? If you're fascinated by space and want to contribute, we need to keep exploring. Support lunar missions and science initiatives that aim to get more data about the moon's structure. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll find the smoking gun that proves we're not just dealing with a rock, but an object with a purpose. Now let's look at a new case study, the discovery of strange signals coming from the moon's far side. In 2010, Chinese scientists working with the Chang'e 4 probe detected unusual radio signals coming from beneath the surface. They've yet to fully explain the source of these signals, but some researchers have suggested that they could be artificial in nature, possibly indicating a hidden structure inside the moon. If that doesn't make you scratch your head, I don't know what will. So, what do you think? Is the moon an artificial creation, or are we just looking too deeply into coincidences? Drop a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Whether you're a die-hard skeptic or someone who's open to exploring the unexplainable. And if you found this theory interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. We'll keep exploring the strange and mysterious together. See you in the next one.